Hey guys, Joe Randall here with shootfishlife. I got an exciting little product I wanted to show you. This company reached out to me, sent me this thing, and I was excited. They didn't tell me they were sending me this, and I was looking at their website and seeing this, and I knew I wanted one. So when they sent me one, I was even more ecstatic. Anyway, we're gonna get into it. Shoulder strap, Piscifun backpack. All right. This thing, I've got loaded with everything that I would use on my kayak. Some of the stuff that just stays there, and minus some of the stuff that stays there too. But it's a little hefty right now, but it's still very comfortable. I'm walking around with it and all that. When it's hefty, it has this extra strap. Reach across your chest. That way it doesn't fall off. You know, when it's like this and it's heavy, it just starts wobbling around. Okay. The other cool thing that you can do is you wear it across your chest like this. And what I'm really excited for this bag for is going fly fishing. All right. And it's hard to show you how much this bag will hold with fly fishing stuff because there's not a lot. They're small. But I'll be able to take flies, food, water, everything. All right. Anyway, this thing, it's on your chest, still comfortable like this. You could wear the other strap again like this to pull it down a little bit, keep that pressure off you. But without that other strap on, you need access to something, you just whip it around. Got it all right here. All right, do whatever you need. This main compartment opens all the way around, except the bottom, obviously. But you could only open the one side, so not everything just falls out. All right. They thought about this bag pretty good. All right. And I'm saying all right a lot, but let's take this thing off and see how much gear we got in here. All right, first, you can see this bag's not too big, and that's what I like. It's a shoulder bag. It's not too big. I have more stuff in here than I would put in here. All right, I'm gonna be honest with that. Anytime you do a shoulder bag like this, the point is to be light and easy accessible and have everything you need, but practicality, you know, I don't need my scale for fly fishing, but we're just showing you that if you wanted this bag for more, you can do more. This bag, I could just throw this in the kayak and be ready to go. You're not wearing it, so load it up. All bags have purposes. So my purpose of this bag, fly fishing, and I'm thinking about getting another one. Even though they gave me this one to review for you guys. I'm thinking about buying another one as a go bag. To leave in the Jeep, first aid, extra magazines. You know, I put this magazine on here, but I always have an extra magazine. So anyway, get into it. Fish grippers. Water. We've got bait scent. It's got straps. You can add more gear to this as well. Magazine. The scale. That, especially in Utah, I don't really use this thing. Let's be honest. We got small fish around here. Plier pocket. All right, this pocket's for pliers, and you can also use it for carrying another rod. So this bag was very thought out. It's very heavy duty, water resistant. Its material is very thick. It's not super cheap. So open this main pocket. 2 full-size waterproof Play-No boxes. You don't get that. Like my kayak fishing tackle bag, I bought a small bag because I didn't want to take a lot. And this is what it fits. I mean, 2 of these, a couple of these. This will fit more than my fishing bag. So this might become my new bag, other than I like having this bag's for this bag's for this bag's for this. Plastics. I do have a separate, big plastic thing I keep on the kayak, but pond hopping. You're a pond hopper? There you go. What else we got in here? Sunscreen. You always need sunscreen. Extra line. Still have more room in that pocket. Top pocket here. Hand sanitizer. You need that, especially when you're using this stinky bait stuff. Extra GoPro batteries. Use your words, Joe. And, that's it. This other pocket right here. A lot of people will never use this pocket, and it is kind of a dumb pocket. I always thought, all right. Well, because you put something in here and it's against you, the bag's no longer flat. It feels weird. What these pockets I have found are for me, is you put some tissue in here. That way you're always ready when nature calls. It doesn't, no bulk, no nothing, bag feels the same, but you always have it. as you can see, this is more, this is enough. Go pond hopping, go kayak fishing, go out for a day. All this gear was in that bag. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it could hold a little more. But this is all you need. You know, if you're going camping, you're going to take a bigger bag anyway. I had a similar bag to this, a little taller, not as wide, full straps, everything. Very uncomfortable, $100, and I used it as my go bag. I would highly think about using this as my go bag, and I probably will if I get another one, because it's going to be my fly fishing bag. This thing is awesome. I can't wait to get this thing out, go fly fishing. Make sure to check out Piscifun. I will leave their website in the description below, along with their Amazon link. This bag, I believe, is around $35. And I mean, it's heavy duty. This isn't junk, you know. I want this bag, and I'm showing you that I can't just rip it, all right? Thick buckles, it's nice. I mean, the reason Piscifun can sell this stuff is they don't use the big box stores. They make the stuff, they put it on their website, and they get it to you. So I'm excited to use their products. I've hooked up with them for a few things. I have one more thing to review for you, but that one we're going to go out and use. We will use this as well during that, as long as the snow stays away. Not the backpack because of the snow, but because I'm kind of a wussy. Anyway, thanks for watching Shoot Fish Life. I hope you enjoyed this review of Piscifun's bag, and we will catch you in the next video.